If you're trying to decide between AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop, this comparison will help you figure out which remote desktop solution is better for your needs. In this video, I'll break down the key differences in performance, features, ease of use, and best use cases so you can choose the right tool without wasting time testing both. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a powerful remote desktop application built for both personal and professional use. It's known for fast performance, low latency, and a smooth remote control experience, even when the internet connection isn't perfect. That makes it a popular choice for IT technicians, freelancers, remote workers, and businesses that need reliable remote access on a regular basis. One of the biggest strengths of AnyDesk is its feature set. It includes file transfer, remote printing, unattended access, session chat, and support for multiple platforms. That means you can do more than just view another computer screen. You can actually work efficiently, exchange files, communicate during a session, and manage devices with a lot more flexibility. It also gives you more control over permissions and security settings, which is one reason it's often used for professional support tasks. AnyDesk is especially useful if you need a remote desktop tool that performs well in real-world conditions. For example, if you're helping a client, supporting a family member, or connecting to an office computer from home, the low latency and responsive controls can make a big difference. Instead of dealing with lag or clunky movement, you get a smoother experience that feels more like sitting in front of the actual machine. Now let's switch over to Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome Remote Desktop is Google's free remote access solution, and it works directly through the Chrome browser. That makes it very simple to set up and use. In most cases, all you need is a Google account to get started. There's no complicated setup process, and that simplicity is one of the main reasons people choose it. Once Chrome Remote Desktop is configured, you can access your own computer from another device with just a few steps. It's ideal for personal use, quick access to a home computer, or helping friends and family with basic computer issues. If your goal is convenience and simplicity, Chrome Remote Desktop does a great job. It keeps things lightweight and easy for users who don't want a lot of extra options or advanced settings. However, that simplicity also comes with limitations. Chrome Remote Desktop does not offer the same advanced features you get with AnyDesk. For example, it doesn't include built-in chat, remote printing, or extensive file transfer options. So while it's great for basic remote access, it may not be enough if you need professional level support tools or a more advanced workflow. So, which one is better? The answer really depends on how you plan to use it. If you need advanced features, better performance, and stronger remote support capabilities, AnyDesk is the better choice. It's the one I'd recommend for power users, IT support, freelancers, and business environments where reliability and control matter most. If, on the other hand, you just want a free and easy remote desktop tool for occasional access, Chrome Remote Desktop is a solid option. It's simple, completely free, and perfect for users who only need basic remote access without extra complexity. To put it simply, AnyDesk wins for users who want more power, more features, and more flexibility. Chrome Remote Desktop wins for users who want something free, lightweight, and easy to set up. Both tools are useful, but they serve different types of users. If you're still deciding, think about your priorities. Do you want a fast, feature-rich solution for ongoing remote support? Then AnyDesk is probably the better fit. Do you want a simple tool to access your own computer occasionally without paying anything? Then Chrome Remote Desktop may be all you need. And that's the comparison between AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop. If this video helped you choose the right remote desktop solution, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.